Hey everyone, it's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct, and as most of you know, I love mobility scooters. I always say that a family that scoots together stays together. They're great for getting fresh air around the neighborhood, going on cruise vacations, and even going on airplane rides to your favorite travel destinations. Many of them are TSA friendly and easily fold up for convenient transport. At least for me, it's really easy to fold up a scooter and lift it into the trunk of a car or SUV. However, for most of our customers, it's not that easy. Most mobility devices weigh over 50 pounds, and that's really heavy. Let's face it, as we get older, it doesn't get any easier to lift heavy things. That's why I want to introduce you to the Mini Lift, the perfect product to pair with your mobility device. This motor-powered lift is a game changer for mobility scooter and power wheelchair users. It does all the heavy lifting for you. It can support up to 100 pounds and only weighs 25 pounds. If you have a scooter or wheelchair that weighs less than 100 pounds, you can easily roll it onto the platform while it's in a lowered position, and then once it's level with your entry space of your car, van, or SUV, you can roll or shimmy it into the trunk or cargo space of your vehicle. It's that easy. The remote control is super easy to use. It just has an up and a down button to raise or lower the platform. It comes with an excellent 3-year limited warranty on the frame, 1-year warranty on the motor, and a 1-year warranty for the battery. It's super lightweight and very compact. When it's in the lowered position, it could easily be stored in the cargo space or trunk of your vehicle along with your mobility device. It also includes some convenient straps to hold down your mobility device. This is hands down one of the most popular items to accompany with your mobility device. It also has a convenient zipper bag for your remote control to keep it safe when you're not using it. We offer tax-free sales and free shipping on this product nationwide. When it shows up in the box, it's super easy to unpack. All you have to do is open the box, charge the battery, and turn it on. You're ready to go. By the way, we offer a free product catalog, so if you want to learn more about our latest products, get access to discount codes, and a lot of information about our company, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call the number below, give your address to one of our non-commissioned sales experts, and they'll process the catalog request for you. Keep in mind, we're not just an online business. We do have brick and mortar locations, so if you want to test out this product, come by one of our local stores. We'd love to answer any questions that you may have. We'd love to earn your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.